In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to compile and run a JDBC program. Download the JDBC sample code from the course website. Once that's done, we can unzip it. It's inside downloads. So unzip, downloads, JDBC.zip, cd JDBC, and the main program is in run query.java, and with a couple of utilities over there as well. Take a look at the shell script I put in to compile the Java programs. In fact, we'll need to make modifications to change the paths. The base directory should be home db2ins1 SQLib, and after that the class path should work. Just to double check. Yes, all the right files are there. So run compile sh by doing this, and you should see now that the Java has been compiled to class files. And now we can run the run query.java. Let's take a look at run query.java. Oh, the $M's are because that this was created using the MS-DOS system, so the line feeds are different. Okay, so this is where it tries to open a connection to the database, and then it reads a query from file that it's going to then do a run query and print out the results. Run query actually create a statement, runs the query by doing execute query, and then iterates through using the result set all the results of the query, and the for loop prints each column in each row. Okay, let's take a look at the run.sh, which we'll need to modify as well. Again, you need to change the base directory so that the class path will be correct. And then the rest, we're good. So this program takes a properties file, which you will need to change to the host name is localhost because we're running the server on the same machine as the client application. The port number, you can check the port number by doing this. Do a db2 get dbm cfg, and if you note the TCP service name db2c db2ins1, now you have to look up the /etc/services file and look for that service name, which is db2c db2ins1. Just do a search for db2c underscore db2ins1, and you see that the port is 5000. So we should be using this port instead. So change your properties file to the correct port number and the correct password. The database name is ICS321A, and the username is db2ins1. And now I should be ready to run. And you can give it as input a query file, and in this case I'm going to change this to product, and I'm run sh with this file, and I didn't print out the output. I just timed the execution of this query, which took about 57 seconds to execute, and return says it took 1 millisecond to iterate through all the queries, and cardinality tells you how many rows are in the results. Now you can modify the query to print out your results. By changing the for loop here to actually print out the results, and I'll leave that as an exercise for you.